Welcome back to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll be making some Nashville Hot chicken wings. The ingredients I'll be using is 4 pounds of chicken wings, 1 tablespoon yellow mustard, about half tablespoon of garlic and onion powder, 2 tablespoons Nashville Hot chicken seasoning. I also did clean the chicken wings with some lime and vinegar. This is 4 pounds of chicken wings. If you are a fan of the flats, this bag would have been perfect for you. Believe it or not, out of this 4 pounds, there was probably about 5 drumettes. The rest were all flats. What I did clean the chicken wing with some lime and vinegar. I rinsed it under cool water, then I patted dry. I added the mustard, garlic powder, onion powder, as well as the Nashville Hot chicken seasoning. I didn't add any additional salt and pepper because the Nashville Hot chicken seasoning, it did have salt, black pepper, and some other spices, cumin, oregano, red pepper, thyme, white pepper. It also had brown sugar, smoked paprika, as well as granulated garlic and onion. After adding these ingredients, I went ahead and mixed until each piece of the chicken wings were covered with this marinade. I did allow this to marinate in the fridge for 24 hours. Before cooking, I did allow it to come back to room temperature. There are so many ways that you can cook this chicken wing. You could grill it, cook it in an air fryer, deep fry it, or even cook it in the oven. I'm going to air fry this chicken wing. If you've made it this far into the video and you haven't subscribed to A Taste of K here on YouTube, go ahead and do that now. The air fryer that I'm using have a preheat function. It preheats on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. I ended up air frying the chicken wing in 2 separate batches. If you would like to see an unboxing / mini review on this COSORI air fryer that I'm using, you can find the link in the description box below. I'll be using the chicken function on this air fryer, which is 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Halfway through the cooking process, I do stop the machine and give it a quick shake. Now here's the finished product of the Nashville Hot chicken wings. As you can see here, this is the first batch and it's all flats. If you've made it to the end of the video, let me know in the comment section, are you team flat or team drums? Also, what's your favorite dipping sauce? I want to say thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. I'll see you in the next video.